Man, those look good. Show them both to me. Here, stand up. Stand up, so stand up right there.
Dad, you gotta feel this muscle right here.
Feel that muscle?
Yeah. It's getting big.
It is getting big. What's up, baby?
Mom.
Oh, feel her muscle.
Come here. Let me feel your muscle.
Right here.
Wow.
Man, that's pretty good.
Probably because you're eating so good. No junk food.
Hey, baby. Say bye. Elise.